Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about averages, mean, median, mode, and range, the four key ways to describe data. Averages help us summarize a large set of data into just a few numbers so we can quickly compare, analyze, and understand patterns. The mean is what most people call the average. To find the mean, you add up all the numbers, then divide by how many there are. For example, if the numbers are 4, 6, 8, and 10, you add them. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 are 28. Then divide by 4, giving a mean of 7. The mean gives a fair representation of the data, but can be affected by very large or very small values called outliers. The median is the middle number when all the data is written in order. If there's an odd number of items, it's the middle one. If there's an even number, take the mean of the two middle numbers. For example, in 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, the median is 7. In 4, 6, 8, 10, the middle two are 6 and 8, so the median is 7. The median is useful when data has extreme values because it's not affected by outliers. The mode is the number that appears most often. For example, 2, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. Mode markers 4. If two or more numbers appear equally often, the data is bimodal. If all appear once, there's no mode. The mode is helpful for categorical data like the most popular color or size. The range shows how spread out the data is. To find it, subtract the smallest value from the largest. Example, 2, 4, 6, 10, range, 10, 2, furthers 8. A larger range means the data is more spread out. A smaller range means it's more consistent. To summarize, mean, total, number of values, median, middle value mode, most common value, range, largest, smallest each. Gives different insights. Use them together for a clearer picture of your data. That's all for this lesson on averages, mean, median, mode, and range. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.